Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do e-commerce on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we can just simply go to the business seller. So you will need just to have like a business account on eBay and you can create it when you are going to sign up. So we'll have like the personal account, business account. Then you can create a business account and from there you can start selling as a business. And you can create your own store here on eBay. So as you can see, you will be able like to create a business account. And from there, you will need just to add your business name, which will be the store name or whatever, and the business email, password, and of course the location or the country of your store. So you will need just to click on create business account. After that, you will be able like to start creating a business selling account ID and set up your account policies, and then you can add your inventory or your listings. And basically, you will be able like to have many things that you can manage with your store. And here I'm just having like a personal account, but you will have something similar to this. So basically from here, you will be able like to get a store. So in the seller hub, you will be able like to subscribe to eBay so you can create a store. And from there, you can find or you can add your own listings, and you will be able like to manage your listings more efficiently. So as you can see, it's where you can save money on sellers fees, and you can elevate your brand. That means you can add stories and let buyers know how to get to know you and many other things. So basically it will give you many benefits, and then you can like start like monitoring your products and store by using some monitoring tools, and basically you can get subscribed and start your e-commerce business on eBay. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.